Which AWS service helps in automatically generating accurate demand forecasts using machine learning? Correct answer, Amazon Forecast. Explanation. Amazon Forecast uses ML to deliver highly accurate time series forecasts for business outcomes like demand planning, inventory, or revenue. Why others are incorrect. Comprehend is for NLP tasks. Recognition is for image video analysis. Translate is for translation tasks. Which AWS service is best suited for intelligent document search across large enterprise data repositories? Correct answer, Amazon Kendra. Explanation. Amazon Kendra is an AI-powered enterprise search service that enables searching unstructured and structured data intelligently. Why others are incorrect. Poly is text-to-speech. SageMaker is for ML model building. Translate is for translation tasks. A company wants to create a chatbot that can understand natural language queries. Which AWS service should they use? Correct answer, Amazon Lex. Explanation. Amazon Lex enables building conversational interfaces using speech and text. Why others are incorrect. Comprehend extracts meaning from text but doesn't create chatbots. Poly provides speech output but not chatbot functionality. Glue is a data integration service. Which AWS service allows developers to add image and video analysis into their applications using pre-trained models? Correct answer, Amazon Recognition. Explanation. Recognition provides pre-trained models for facial recognition, object detection, and video analysis. Why others are incorrect. SageMaker is for building training models. Poly is TTS. Kendra is search. A logistics company wants to optimize delivery routes using historical data and ML. Which AWS service is best suited? Correct answer, Amazon Forecast. Explanation. Forecast predicts future trends like demand, delivery time, and route optimization using time series data. Why others are incorrect. SageMaker requires building custom models, more effort. Recognition is for images, videos. Translate is for translation. Which AWS service helps extract structured data such as names, dates, or account numbers from unstructured documents like invoices? Correct answer, Amazon Textract. Explanation. Textract is designed to extract structured data from scanned documents, forms, invoices, tables. Why others are incorrect. Comprehend analyzes meaning in text, not structured forms. Kendra is enterprise search. Glue is ETL, data integration. Which AWS AI enables you to build conversational interfaces that support both voice and text input? Correct answer, Amazon Lex. Explanation. Lex is used for chatbots with natural language understanding, supporting both voice and text. Why others are incorrect. Poly is text-to-speech. Comprehend analyzes text but not conversational interactions. Translate is for translations only. A business needs a service to perform real-time anomaly detection in sales transactions. Which AWS service is best? Correct answer, Amazon Lookout for Metrics. Explanation. Lookout for Metrics detects anomalies in business operational data using ML. Why others are incorrect. Forecast predicts trends, not real-time anomalies. Textract extracts text, not anomalies. CloudTrail is for auditing logging, not anomaly detection. Which AWS service lets you build custom ML models without writing ML code? Correct answer, Amazon SageMaker Canvas. Explanation: SageMaker Canvas is a visual, no-code ML tool for building custom models. Why others are incorrect? Comprehend is NLP analysis, not model building. Glue is data integration. Transcribe is speech to text. Which AWS AI service can detect manufacturing defects in product images? Correct answer, Amazon Lookout for Vision. Explanation: Lookout for Vision detects visual anomalies in images, often used in manufacturing for quality control. Why others are incorrect? Recognition does generic image video analysis but not industrial defect detection. Comprehend is for NLP. Poly is text-to-speech. Which AWS service would you use to translate a large batch of documents automatically into another language? Correct answer, Amazon Translate. Explanation: Translate provides scalable, batch or real-time translation using neural machine translation. Why others are incorrect? Comprehend analyzes meaning, not translation. Lex is chatbots. Poly is TTS. Which AWS service can be integrated with call center analytics to detect sentiment in customer conversations? Correct answer, Amazon Comprehend. Explanation: Comprehend can detect sentiment, entities, and topics in customer text after transcription. Why others are incorrect? Poly is TTS. Recognition is CV. Translate is for translations. Which AWS AI service provides intelligent search across FAQs, manuals, and documents? Correct answer, Amazon Kendra. Explanation: Kendra uses natural language to provide intelligent search across enterprise data. Why others are incorrect? Textract extracts text from documents, but doesn't search them. Forecast is demand prediction. Poly is text-to-speech. Which AWS AI service can identify celebrities in images or videos? Correct answer, Amazon Recognition. Explanation: Recognition provides celebrity recognition as part of its pre-trained CV features. Why others are incorrect? Poly is text-to-speech. Comprehend is NLP. Forecast is prediction. Which AWS AI service is best for predictive maintenance of industrial machinery? Correct answer, Amazon Lookout for Equipment. Explanation: Lookout for Equipment detects abnormal equipment behavior and predicts failures. Why others are incorrect? Lookout for Metrics is anomaly detection in data, not machines. SageMaker requires custom models. Translate is unrelated. Which AWS AI service provides real-time personalized product recommendations? Correct answer, Amazon Personalize. Explanation: Personalize enables personalization and recommendation engines like retail, media, etc. Why others are incorrect? Forecast predicts future demand, not personalization. Kendra is enterprise search. Lookout for Metrics is anomaly detection. Which AWS AI service is designed to search and retrieve information across FAQs, manuals, and documentation using natural language queries? Correct answer, Amazon Kendra. Explanation. Kendra provides intelligent search across enterprise data using NLP. Why others are incorrect. Translate is for translations. Personalize is for recommendations. Comprehend analyzes meaning but doesn't provide search. Which AWS AI service is typically used to convert a call center audio recording into text for analysis? Correct answer, Amazon Transcribe. Explanation. Transcribe converts speech to text, often used in customer support and transcription. Why others are incorrect. Poly is TTS. Comprehend analyzes the text after transcription. Recognition is for CV. Which AWS service enables real-time text translation in applications like chat or customer support? Correct answer, Amazon Translate. Explanation. Translate provides real-time scalable text translation across many languages. Why others are incorrect. Poly is TTS. Comprehend analyzes meaning, not translation. SageMaker requires custom model building. Which AWS AI service is designed to detect quality defects in manufacturing equipment images? Correct answer, Amazon Lookout for Vision. Explanation. Lookout for Vision detects visual defects and anomalies in industrial images. Why others are incorrect. Recognition analyzes faces, objects, but not industrial quality. SageMaker requires custom ML models. Personalize is for recommendations. Which AWS AI service can be used to build a virtual assistant that understands natural language and provides spoken responses? Correct answer, Amazon Lex, Amazon Polly. Explanation. Lex provides chatbot capability, understanding text voice input, and Polly provides natural-sounding speech output. Why others are incorrect. Comprehend analyzes text but doesn't act as a chatbot. Recognition is CV. Textract is OCR. Which AWS service enables developers to add automatic subtitles to videos by converting speech to text? Correct answer, Amazon Transcribe. Explanation. Transcribe is speech to text and is often used for generating subtitles. Why others are incorrect. Poly is TTS. Lex is for chatbots. Recognition is for video image analysis. Which AWS service is best suited for searching across enterprise knowledge bases like FAQs, research papers, and manuals? Correct answer, Amazon Kendra. Explanation. Kendra is an enterprise search service powered by ML. Why others are incorrect. Textract extracts text but does not provide search. Forecast is demand prediction. Poly is TTS. Which AWS service allows developers to create recommendation systems similar to Amazon.com's product suggestions? Correct answer, Amazon Personalize. Explanation. Personalize allows building real-time recommendation systems. Why others are incorrect. Recognition is CV. Comprehend is NLP. Lookout for metrics is anomaly detection. Which AWS service provides real-time transcription of customer support calls? Correct answer, Amazon Transcribe. Explanation. Transcribe is used for real-time speech-to-text transcription. Why others are incorrect. Poly is TTS. Lex is chatbot. Recognition is CV.